हिना, my comeback film after 8 years. उसमें कौन था? Chintu. I was opposite in Bobby. I loved Chintu, really. And Dabzu, such a good soul, such a good man.
Why did you choose to do the mother's role in the first place?
It was offered to me, Janu. It was offered to me.
नहीं, but मतलब कभी एक झिझक हुई starting में?
Give me a role besides the mother's role. Give me that. Give me a lawyer.
Not getting too many offers from Dharma at this point?
Very. I'll say loud and clear. We were there to hold their hands. At a certain point, an actor also needs to be held. मेरी तरफ से I was waiting for the silsila to go jari. ये होता है, you see. And मेरी जगह किसी और को अगर आप लो, it hurts. It hurts. It's a deep hurt. I'm saying very frankly.
Yeah.
I'm really hurt that people do shift loyalty. It's part and parcel of life. लेकिन ऐसा कि कभी ना याद करो, तो बहुत चुभती है बात. After that, every script that needed a sister, each and every hero demanded, we need to have Dilip Kumar's sister on this. That heroine क्यों नहीं बनी वाली बात, it doesn't even make any sense to me now. I can do 1,000 films more. मेरी इतनी energy अभी भी है.
Hi, this is Bhavna and you're watching India Today. Well, Jalal means someone who represents dignity and honor, and there's no better person than Farida Jalal to sort of honor that name in itself. And here, she joins me only on India Today after several years, I believe. Firstly, thank you so much for doing this, Farida ji. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine and more than welcome. There's no need of a big thank you and all that. It's part and parcel of our game, and I love doing this with pretty girls like you.
I feel that you have always been in this industry. You've been there for the art and not for anything else.
Absolutely.
So how do we become Farida Jalal in a time when everyone is really vying for, or is just giving themselves up or losing themselves in this competition? Because it was back, it's not like competition was not there back then. It was still there, but you were still you.
Look, you're yourself. You're just what you are. You don't go in with the times. I think you draw your lines and stay within them and live happily ever after. Okay? Don't you think so?
I think it's easier said than done.
Of course it is. Trust me.
Because
it's
in an
easier,
industry
it's so
like
easy to
this,
slip your way this way and that and
yeah.
go for the materialistic things in life.
Were you
and
never
not
tempted at all? Because I feel that
I always knew better. I think I must give the credit to my mother and my grandmother who brought us up. I didn't have a father in my life. They parted ways when I was very, very young. So that father figure wasn't there, but then she fitted the slot, my grandmother.
Yeah.
And the rules they set for me and told me when I entered, I told them I want to work. And I was dying to act. My God, I was an actress. Chote se hi. So they said, okay, but then some terms and conditions, all your life you have to follow.
Yeah.
And that's what I've done, thankfully.
And another thing that I notice about you again is the fact that whenever you are even saying nice things about your actors, co-actors, young or the ones you have worked with, there's always a God bless them
Always.
that comes with them.
Always.
I don't know of so many people who would have that pure heart in today's
No,
time.
you have to. I mean, look at this age and look at my experience and look at these years that have gone by. Imagine my first film was Taqdeer with Rajshri Productions that released in 1968. So count the years.
Wow. I don't even want to get there. I don't think your journey can be defined by the number of years you have worked.
So I loved every moment of it, and this is the only family I know. My extended family is my Indian film industry. Beta, they've given me such a lot of love and respect and all that I could ask for. I'm still just gaining and gaining and gaining. Hira Mandi crowns it, isn't it? I mean, who could have dreamt that in fact, I asked Mr. Satyajit Ray when I did his film. I asked him on this. I was very, very amazed by this because I heard when he announced he was not making any Hindi film at all. At all. He said, I won't. It's my Bengali. I'm here. I'm king of this film cinema and I will be doing just this all my life. People went on, Hindi kab banayenge, Satyajit Ray, Hindi kab banayenge. Main nahi banaunga. And then he announces one film out of the blue. Satranj Ke Khiladi. And I have heard that actors went all the way to Calcutta. The topmost heroines of our industry at that time. They all went, they sent messages, they phoned, they went across, they sent their secretaries, their managers. But he asks for two actors from the industry. One is Shabana Azmi, and the little Farida Jalal, Sanjeev Kumar and Saeed Jaffrey. He himself brought from London. He was settled in London, he was doing plays there, Saeed Jaffrey. He brought him into the industry, in fact. He is playing the Nawab, and I'm opposite the older man, and a very young wife he needed, so he took me. On the set, he was, and what a lovely man, oh my God, hell bless him wherever he is. he would
See,
really
that's
guffaw.
exactly what I was talking about. Every
Yeah,
good
yeah.
praise is accompanied. That's
Of course, that's a God bless from the heart. And he used to laugh and laugh, and we were cracking jokes on the set. We were laughing, me and Farooq Sheikh, and he was a very funny scene when he catches us, and I hide him under the bed and all that. And he was laughing, he would laugh like that. Oh my God, this darling man. And then he said, now, let's do some work now. And we were laughing for 1 hour, all of us doing that scene. And Saeed Jafri was such a joker also. So eventually I asked him, sir, we used to call him Manikda. People used to call him Manikda there. So I said, Manikda, I want to ask you. Shabana ji is a heroine figure. She's done heroine roles. She's come in that whatever art films or whatever with Shyam Babu.
Yeah.
But I'm playing supporting roles everywhere, and how did you think of me? And the whole world is asking you for work in this film because the first Hindi film you're making and the last you said.
Yeah.
So how do you think of me? मैं कहाँ हूँ? कहाँ कैसे आई? So the man tells me, why not? Why do you think that? You're such a good actor. I said, yeah, but even then, tell me, how did you think of me? I'm so proud of this, that I'm a part of your film. बहुत मुझे गुमान हो रहा है, फख्र हो रहा है. Tell me why, how? He said, I saw you in Bobby. See, beta, एक scene किया मैंने Bobby में. Just one scene. And you were there, back of my head. And I said, this girl, I need to work with her. I said, finished. My day was made. My journey is something else after that day, don't you think?
Absolutely.
I was so moved. I said, my God. I said, Bobby. When Bobby came to me, I was wondering, Mahmood Baijan is a father figure for me. Always he's been, Faru beta. He came to the house one day and I said, I'm just coming from RK Studios. I said, okay, I was doing lots and lots of work. Behan ka role, jo bhi, lots of work. There is one film being made, it's called Bobby. And I said, yeah, lovely, I've heard of it. There is one role of a little mentally retarded girl who's opposite the boy. The fathers have plans to get them married, but he's already in love with his Bobby and all of that. There is one scene in which he gives a big royal party and you're there and you're mentally retarded, and he enacted the scene for me. I've just come from Rajji's cottage, and he said he enacted the scene, and I said, Farida will do this. And he said, no, she's doing very well. She's won an award last year. And you think? I said, no, Farida will do this. I'm going to her just now. And Faru, you have to do this. I said, Baijan, mentally retarded, it's like either this way or that. If you underact, the impact goes. If you overact, the impact goes equally bad. It's equally bad. And I've never played this. So how will I do this? You think it's a very difficult role? He said, Nahi, Faru, I've said yes and you have to do it. I said, of course, with all my heart, but then, my God, it's tough. And I said, okay, and I went. Days were taken from me, and I went to the studio, and I held that doll which he gave me to carry through the scene. And I didn't know where to begin, where to end, and I said, Rajji, I'll just follow you. Do it for me now once. He was so loving towards me, so loving. Rajji ke saath kaam karna is one big high for any actor. You know why? Because it was a crowd of about 400 to 500 people. It was a party sequence, if you remember. Aruna ji ka gana tha after that, Phasa and all that. And I said, if aap ek baar mujhe karke dikhao, just show me how to do it. I'm very tense because it's something very different, very difficult. It's a mentally retarded girl. How do I catch the sur? So he did it so well. Mujhe abhi bhi goosebumps hote. Raj Kapoor did that shot. I couldn't even do half or quarter of it, I think. He was so bang on the way he looked at his son and said this and hi. And so I just copied him. Let me tell you the truth, I did nothing. I just copied Mr. Raj Kapoor. So to be right, get the right sur, you know, it's tough. If actors say, I did it, it's not, it's very tough. So he did that, and wahin se maine sur pakad liya that this is what he wants. And I'm so happy. And when I asked him, and he said, Mr. Satyajit, I kept you in my mind when I saw Bobby. Out of the blue, one does a film, one scene in that major film, and an actor and a director like Satyajit Ray likes it. Full marks now then to Raj Kapoor sahab. I went to say bye to him after the scenes were over. And he said to me, what bye? No bye. You have to do all my films, whatever I do, whatever I was so thrilled, It's a big high, beta. I was so thrilled. I said, yeah, of course. You just have to call me. I'll walk all the way. I will. And then, of course, as Destiny, I got married after a few years, and they were not making anything at that time. And my God, such a massive hit Bobby was. Oof. He said, look, tum to namaz padti, I've heard. I said, huh? So he said, pray for this film. You know what I've suffered after Joker? Just pray for this film. Of course, I said, of course I will pray. I'm part and parcel of it. I will pray for you. He was such a darling man, so much of respect. The first shot, I remember after I gave the first shot, he stands there and he said, the girl has given such a good shot. I want all of you to clap for her. What a big high, beta.
Yeah.
Me with my doll, I didn't know how to react. That sounding claps of so many 500 crowd. He gives you that. Rajji used to put his actors on a pedestal always. There's where you do your best, you give it your all, you know. It's a response bhi to milna chahiye, no? So that was something I kept it in my mind, it's in my heart for as long as I'm around.
I mean, when I'm hearing, I would die to be on a set like that.
Like that,
just to
I swear,
you know, just to witness.
So
all
then
of
he
this.
kept his promise. They brought me back in Hina.
Yeah.
I had gone away to Bangalore and I was very happy there. My child was born and I was doing very well. My husband's business was there. That's how we went there.
Yeah.
And out of the blue, after 8 years of being there, there's a call and they come all the way. The offer came all the way to Bangalore.
Yeah.
And I looked at my husband and I said, look, I've left films. I'm not doing anything. But they said, no, this you have to do. Look at the love. They're like brothers for you. They're always that rishta with Dabbu and Chintu, and Chimpu was. I miss Chintu so much. I loved Chintu, really. And Dabbu, such a good soul, such a good man. So I did Hina with all my heart after so many years, and we went to Kulu Manali for this long schedule of Hina. We finished the film more or less. A little bit was left for RK Studio, the song and all. But then look at that, I got the Best Supporting Actress award.
But you know, I mean, just to take, it took directors like Raj Kapoor, Satyajit Ray, Shyam Benegal,
oh yes,
to sort of recognize the real actor, the gem of an actor that you are. Apart from the other roles that you were doing great, for sure. I mean, people gave you those opportunities. But there was a stereotype for sure, like at that point.
Of course, right? You're right.
Despite the fact that there is no one performance of yours which one can pull out and say that ye na nahi tha. Despite that, it almost sad. It made me sad that when I see that there was a certain stereotype regarding the roles, that it was always a sister's role. Did you ever feel that directors, why are other directors not seeing this? Because if a Satyajit Ray, Shyam Benegal, Raj Kapoor Saab can see this,
oh my God,
what is happening to other directors?
But I got a lot of work and I mean, I did get lots and lots of work, like Abbas Mustan. So I think I have accomplished what I need to as an actor. That heroine kyun nahi bani wali baat, it doesn't even make any sense to me now. Let me tell you. Of course, when people ask me, आपको कौन सा role करना था, आपका अरमान दिल में क्या था, I will to ask for a mother India, as I say.
Yeah.
I'll ask for a Pakiza. I want to do all of that.
Yeah.
मुकद्दर में नहीं था. It's okay. But then in my little the screen space and character actor gets, how much does a character actor get? कितना मिलता है screen time? Tell me. अगर उसमें भी अगर आपने एक सिक्सर मार दिया, तो good, isn't it?
पर आपने तो हमेशा छक्के पे छक्का ही मारा है whenever you got in a role. But you know, मुझे ऐसा लगता है हर किसी की career में, हर किसी की life में, you can correct me if I'm wrong, there are certain milestones or certain choices that you make that decide where you are going to be in the future. That's for everyone, right? Did you at certain point, because it's, you know, when you see your long journey, at some point do you feel that maybe if I had not done this and did something else which you perhaps might have refused back then, maybe things would have been different? Maybe people would have been forced to look beyond casting you only in character roles and give you like leading parts. Did you ever feel that?
No, I've said it earlier in an interview here and there in the magazines also, that my sister role journey of that, being slotted into the sister's role, it began with playing Dilip Kumar's sister and Gopi. So when we start there, and after that, every script that needed a sister, each and every hero demanded Dilip Kumar's sister. We need to have Dilip Kumar's sister on this. So it's a big role, we need to have. And so I was enjoying myself, let me tell you, beta, as an actor. It wasn't making a difference because I'm not singing romantic songs and not doing what heroines do in films.
Yeah. But at certain point, क्योंकि एक बार ऐसा होता है ना कि आप अपना काम करते जा रहे हो, you're loving what you're doing.
Yeah.
But there are people around you, and you see your contemporaries
Yeah.
rising. And
Yeah,
honestly, in this industry, it's difficult to overlook that, because even if you overlook, there are people around you who would be like, "अरे तेरे साथ आया था राजेश खन्ना जी, आए थे, but now he is like what?" It's easy to fall prey to those comparisons. How do you not?
I don't know. I never went that way, but I don't know why. I was very content because people give me lots to do. अगर आपकी हीरोइन गाने ही गा रही हैं और आप सारा कुछ मसाला कर रही हैं, आप अवार्ड ले जा रही हो उस फिल्म के लिए, isn't it a big high for an actor? I'm an actor first, then everything else. Heroine, I'm an actor from here. Yeah, absolutely. If that's satisfied, that's enough.
Has that ever worked against you? Because
It must
people
have.
take
But it must
advantage
have.
of this also
It
a
must
lot.
have. I'm sure what you're saying is true. So true. So true what you're saying, because it must have. It must have worked against me also.
But I remember in one of the interviews you did mention that Yash ji से आप थोड़ा सा नाराज हो गई थी कि उन्होंने.
You know why? Because after we finished Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, they made Dil To Pagal Hai, which is such a super duper hit also. So when he called me out of the blue and he said, Dil To Pagal Hai mein ek role hai, and I think तब तक कोई बात ही नहीं हो रही थी. I thought that they have no role for me. Otherwise, why won't I be repeated after such a big success? So I thought they have no role for me perhaps, and there wasn't. He calls me and he says, नहीं फरीदा, रोल तो है. आदि बोलता है, no, you must not talk to फरीदा जी. लेकिन मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं करूँगा बात. फरीदा करेगी ये रोल. तो ऐसा है फरीदा. Have you watched Anupam Kher? Have you watched him in our films? I said, जी हाँ, of course. I'm so jealous of him. He's in every film. I said that. He said, yeah, इसलिए है कि मैं जब फोन करता हूँ, 2 सीन है, 3 सीन है, 4 सीन है, कुछ पूछता नहीं बंदा. वो तो बस चला आता है. Because we're just a family, and I would like to ये सिलसिला चलता रहे. मोटो इज ये सिलसिला जारी रहे, ये कभी ना टूटे. तो डोंट से नो एवर. मैं जब भी फोन करूं, आदि करे, मैं करूं. तो आदि ने मुझसे कहा, नहीं कि इसमें ऐसा क्या है कि फरीदा जी करे. जैसे नो मैं फोन करूंगा, तो तुम कर लो ये फिल्म, ये सिलसिला चलता रहे. आई लव्ड दैट लाइन. सो राइट ही इज. जो भी रोल हो, कभी कभी वकील बन जाते हैं, कभी डॉक्टर बन जाते हैं. मिस्टर अनुपम खेर 1-2 सीन का शॉट है, करके चले आते हैं. व्हाई शुडंट आई डू दैट फॉर मेकर्स लाइक हिम, productions like his? Why shouldn't I? should be doing that. And वाकई ये सिलसिला चलता रहे, कभी ना टूटे. I was so happy when he said that. I went all the way, and we did. There was one scene in that film in which I asked Madhuri to marry my son.
Yeah.
So उसके बाद क्या हुआ? मेरी तरफ से था, I was waiting for the सिलसिला to go जारी. ये होता है, you see. And मेरी जगह किसी और को अगर आप लो, it hurts. I didn't even think twice after you said सिलसिला ना टूटे. It was a very big jumla. So I said fine. And when I did like show आता था, Farooq Sheikh used to on the Z channel. So in that he said a few lines. He didn't come to the studio, but he sent a message, and even Karan and all of them. So after I finished the show, I sent a box of chocolates to each one of them who had spoken to me, who had not come on the set, but they had spoken about me.
Yeah.
And I sent him a note. I said, Yash ji, आपके words, ये सिलसिला ना टूटे. I'm looking forward to that. And I remember that line for all my life. I will always remember that line. Yeah. I don't want this silsila since you put this into my head. So, and then even after that, when there is no response and it hurts, it's a deep hurt. I'm being saying very frankly, I'm really hurt that people do shift loyalty. It's part and parcel of life. लेकिन ऐसा कि कभी ना याद करो, तो बहुत चुभती है बात, बहुत.
Yeah, this is
I'm
probably
hurt.
the only
I'm
time
hurt.
you have spoken about.
Yeah, I don't normally talk about this, but since you asked me, hey, it's a deep wound. It will always hurt.
But with Karan, it's still going on. I think with student.
Where?
I mean, with Student of the Year was the last that we saw you actually.
Then.
उसके बाद.
After and before Student of the Year, they made so many films. But one fine day, I'm in my car, and I get a call from Karan. I said, Karan, is it really you? Said, नहीं वो दादी है of very 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 young people. We are making a Student of the Year, and you are playing the दादी. I want you to do this दादी's role. I said, of course. And Siddharth Malhotra के आप ये बनो. He's not very well with his family. They are bad, but he's the only support in the family is you. And there is a scene in which you will die in the film, and it leaves him like with nowhere to go except his friends. I said, of course I'll do it, Karan. So I told them in my office, don't call her. I will call her. Why did he say that? Because he knew that we have wronged her in many ways. And so don't call her, let me talk to her first. So I said, you understood, na Karan? This is what I needed. This is what I need. Ek phone call.
Are you still hurt a bit about not getting too many offers from Dharma at this point?
Yeah, very. I'll say it loud and clear. What's
No, that's
that?
okay.
I'll say it loud and clear. I'm very hurt. Of course. Why wouldn't I be? I went all the way. I cooperated at that point of time. They were beginners. We were there to hold their hands. At a certain point, an actor also needs to be held.
Yeah.
Don't they realize that?
The reason why I ask you this is because Sanjay Leela Bhansali, I think in one of the interviews, one of the major reasons why he thought of you in that role, he said that I wanted to cast an actor who has not been in the public eye for a long, because then there's a curiosity. Which
he
also
said that of Manisha and on me also. He said that,
which made me realize
yes.
that, oh my God, I mean, we keep hearing about Farida ji is part of the short film that you've done, like a few things here and there. But yeah, I mean, she's been missing from showbiz for a long time. And long time, हमारे लिए तो 4 साल 5 साल भी long time होता है, क्योंकि एक वक्त था जब हम आपको हर दूसरी या तीसरी फिल्म में देखते थे. So if you consider that, then it will be like this.
But beta, it's part and parcel of this industry.
No, so I was coming to that was it a conscious choice that you don't want to appear in a lot of films, or did the offers that you were waiting for
didn't come? How true? Yes, you're right. They didn't come. I can do 1,000 films more. मेरी इतनी energy अभी भी है और इतनी choice मेरी चाह भी है. I want to work as much as I can, and I love my work. Oof, when I'm on the sets, I'm something else. If I'm not very well, I'm sluggish at home, a little lazy, just bully shooting it and just watch me. Because that's there. Either you have it or you don't.
Yeah.
I'm one of the fortunate ones who has it.
No, because also, I mean, and the 1 or 2 films that you were part of, they didn't do justice to your talent, because I mean, you have said it in one of the interviews that Batti Gul Meter Chalu.
Yeah.
I mean,
major scenes were cut. Yes.
I can't imagine that happening to an actor like you, because I mean, one out of sheer respect first, because you've been around for that long. Second, I mean, you bring so much nuance to the character that you're playing.
So. I hope so.
That I can't fathom, that someone will cut it. But just because, do you feel sometimes that your goodness is taken for granted?
Perhaps. But I mean, they have their reasons also. Like, who are we to sit and judge on that? You feel hurt as an actor, yes.
But were you
they have their own
cut
reasons.
it? Because that's the least you can expect.
No.
That you are being informed that Farida ji हमने ये shoot किया है.
When you see the film at a trial or the show, that's when you realize, hey, ये scene तो आगे बहुत था, ये यहाँ कैसे कट सकता है? My major portion was there. Then there was this scene in the morning which we did. ये भी नहीं है. वो scene जो end में वो भी नहीं है. That's when you realize गाना एक था वो भी नहीं है. वो तो हो जाता है ना.
But did you at least have some caution or something, some clause in your contract?
How can you do that? Okay. It's for the betterment of their film. It was they come out and tell you. This was required because we had to go this way or that. It's their film at the end of it. They know best. So it hurts sometimes. Of course it does. But they would know better because it's their film at the end of the day. है ना? What say do you have in this matter? कि ये काटे और ये रखें.
Yeah.
Tell me now. It's pointless. We take it with a pinch of salt. It hurts, yes. But I've learned to deal with that. One does.
That's the only way to move forward.
That's it. And ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मुझे कभी नहीं मिला. I've had my fill of that. Getting so much to do on big films. Such a long portion is yours. I've enjoyed all of that, haven't I?
Also, I think one of the key things which you can always boast of is the fact that maybe you were given these relatively smaller parts, supporting parts, but you ended up getting more awards than anyone else from the people who perhaps joined the industry around the same time as you did.
True.
That also means that you know of your potential. It happens with me.
Exactly.
When I know that this is my potential,
absolutely,
but I'm not getting enough. It's frustrating.
It is.
Because you feel कि but you don't know what I'm capable of, or you know but you're still not giving me a chance. वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन से कैसे डील किया फरीदा जी?
होता है. Like now I've said this earlier, like my male counterparts, like Mr. Anupam Kher, Mr.
Yeah.
Amrish Puri, Mr. Om Puri, all of them who are opposite me. Look at, वो तो है मेरे साथ एक बाप के रोल में. But besides that, they get to do the comedian of the film, the villain of the film. They get to do a lawyer.
Yeah.
They get to do a very major role in the film of a doctor.
Yeah. I mean, they had a certain arc to them.
There's a different body language that you need as an actor for those roles.
Yeah.
A different kind of a gait, a different kind of a dialect delivery.
Yeah.
But we are never given that. I'm dying to do it. Give me a role besides the mother's role. Give me that. Give me a lawyer. People say I'm very good with my dialogues, my delivery, my voice,
Yeah.
quality, all of that. Where have they used it? Does it say, beta kaise ho? Where have they used that? And am I dying to show that to them? But who's giving me the chance? That is there. That thing of a character artist will always remain. All of us, in fact, not me. There's so many like me who have been slaughtered.
Yeah.
No? So we are dying to show that side of us to the people, but who is giving us the chance?
Yeah.
And what do? Do I produce a film myself to do it? Nahi hota na. It's not everybody's ball game to become a producer. And then if you become a producer and do that, then you're ridiculed, you're laughed at. Oh, she made a film for herself to show. ये तो मैं कभी भी उस तरफ नहीं जाऊंगी. I'll never do that ever. But then tell us who stopped that in us?
Yeah.
Nobody has.
आप कभी किसी
And मर्दों को तो मिल जाता.
वो तो मतलब वो तो सोसाइटी की बात है.
क्यों?
मतलब I think yeah, I mean we are also asking why, but that why never has had. I think
had
it's
no
still
answer.
a long journey.
Yeah.
We are at least somewhere there, I think, and that is really good.
But now let me tell you, when I watch OTT, like I see actors who have not been slotted into the mother's role. They are doing so many things
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Thank God for them. They're young a lot, of course. I've crossed that age into.
Not at all. I feel now is the very good time to
नहीं,
just,
but,
to just.
I'm happy for them. Very good.
No, but trust me, Farida ji, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है the next few years is the time when you can do every character that you once perhaps wanted people to
Yeah,
come
yeah,
to you
yeah.
with, but never got a chance.
Yeah.
But you will, because now audiences are very much open. Like I feel, but I think TV gave you that.
Yeah.
Correct me if
That's
I'm
how.
wrong.
That's how actors like me did opt for television at
Yeah.
that time. When जल्दी जब आया था दुनिया हमारी तरफ, we did opt for television because that gave us more to do.
Yeah.
You're so right. Yeah. And like I remember, Ravina Kohli was this producer who made this Star Yar Kalakar.
Yeah.
When she came to me and said, "Fidesh, I just post Dilwali Dulhania Le Jayenge." That time, kuch hota ke time. And I said, I'm doing I want you to do a show. I want you to be yourself, Farida ji. Forget your border wali sari and patches of white. Just be yourself. Nice hairdos, nice clothes, and just talk on the mic as you would. You're not a mother, okay? Farida ji? I was thrilled. कि किसी ने तो मुझे सोचा कि इस लड़की में इस औरत में और भी कुछ है. And I was very musically inclined. I still am. Music makes me go mad. It really boosts everything about me. I love music.
Yeah.
It was a musical show. It was actually a platform to introduce lots of people into the music
Yeah.
world. And we did that. Every episode had somebody we were introducing, So I loved that. I just enjoy myself.
You know, one of the biggest thing about an actor is the vanity that they carry, right?
Yeah.
At a certain point, were you ever tired of looking at yourself in that wig, that patch, that white hair? Because you were definitely not that age
Yeah.
in real life.
True,
and it
true,
becomes
true,
very
true,
difficult,
true.
you know.
In fact, when I was doing Ladla, I remember, my first mother's role, I had just come with Hina. And I was offered Ladla, and the title role was Ladla, and I was playing the mother. Anil would stop the shot in between. Anil Kapoor said, sweetheart, he said, oh, mother only feeling, wait, just cut this, it's going wrong. It's going wrong, wait, the Gana was on. Ungli pakad ke chala, teri ungli pakad ke chala. And you just, I would be embracing him and putting him, cut the shot, yaar. She's too young. ऐसा होता था.
तो आपने,
What do you do?
why did you choose to do the mother's role in the first place?
It was offered to me, Janu. It was offered to me.
नहीं, but मतलब कभी एक झिझक हुई स्टार्टिंग में कि I'm not that age to play a mother. Perhaps not to actors. Almost like ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है, 6-7 साल या 10 साल मैक्स. आज के टाइम पे वो फर्क, मतलब माँ का फर्क तो नहीं हो सकता.
Let's start with the first film that I did, Hina.
हाँ.
My comeback film after 8 years. उसमें कौन था? चिंटू. I was opposite in Bobby. हाँ. I was मतलब mentally लड़की जो इससे 2 साल बड़ी है. चलो ये ले लो. 5 साल बड़ी है, 7 साल बड़ी है. माँ तो नहीं ना. तो he was there in Hina na. We used to be laughing on the sets. And but one thing Raza Murad on the sets of Hina told me, look Faidaji, you're coming back after 8 years,
Yeah.
9 years, whatever. Don't think that now you'll get any sister's role to do. Think of it like now you're getting to be put into the, because we're character artists, going to be put into the mothers or the Barbies or that role, huh? I said, of course, I want to act. Now, honestly, I'm not disappointed at all. If as a sister I'm getting lots to do, more than the heroine was doing. If as a mother I'm getting the title role.
Yeah.
So why not? I'm an actress at the end of it.
Yeah.
Am I not? Who cares if I don't wear chiffon sarees and look glamorous and sing songs around trees? Who cares? I'm doing more than that, Baba.
Yeah.
So I'm happy as an actor.
Yeah, आपने टीवी भी किया, and you were perhaps, we have heard of so many actors who went to television after having a little they first started off with television and then came to films. You were perhaps one of those who...
In fact, I was the first.
Can I?
Let me tell you. The first film actress. When I was in Bangalore, this Mr. Oberoi, who made Ye Jo Hai Zindagi, happened to be a friend of Tabriz. He had done some modelling, I believe.
Correct.
So he had come to Bangalore all the way to say that since Shafi has left the show and we need to have an actor who will hold that for us, and since people know her so well, so will she do this Chachi's role? And I said yes. And I didn't think for an actor, like people say TV and people say all kinds of things. But better for an actor, it is facing the camera doing a character.
Correct.
What is the difference? It's the camera that's going to roll and you're playing a character.
Yeah.
It's acting at the end of it. Whatever the medium be, whatever the camera, wherever, I'll be acting and I'm very happy.
Yeah. बट आपको लगता है टीवी ने आपको ना विद इन दैट लिमिटेड स्कोप, बिकॉज टीवी का भी एक अपना लिमिटेशन होता है, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू पोर्ट्रेइंग मदर्स अगेन लाइक दे और नानी, इट्स अ वेरी पेक्यूलर, लाइक वी हैव सीन देम kind of a character. Correct. But उसमें भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है there was something new that you would bring every time, especially with a show like Shararat. I think all of us have grown up on that show.
How sweet is that?
And for us, like, just seeing different shades to Nani, each episode was new, fresh. So much scope for you as an actor to sort of perform.
Like there was one episode in Shararat in which Rajiv Mehra said, now she is going to go to college. She's a jadugarni. So she has to go to college to undo the wrongs that is happening to her grandchild, to Shruti, who played my daughter, granddaughter. So Nani will be going to college. She has to see that these things are settled for her there. She's facing some problems and Nani has to go to as a college girl. Imagine, padak karke apne aap ko pink band and goggles and the shalwar kameez. Now she's becoming a college girl. So it is so much of fun now.
I feel they let you. Did you feel a little more liberated on a set of a TV show than on a film?
That actors like us opt for TV because of that. वो छुटकारा तो मिला बॉर्डर वाली साड़ी से. This Nani was going mad, shooting all kinds of things for her children. Then the fight, the tussle she has with her son-in-law, who she doesn't like.
I love Shararat. We still go back and watch it sometimes.
बच्चे लोग बोलते हैं ना, मेरा वजन बढ़ जाता है. I think दिल इतना अच्छा लगता है.
Do you still remember Shring?
Of course, Shring, Bring, Sarveling, Bhoot, Bhavashya, Vartaman, Vandring. यहाँ किसको बंदर बनाओ बताओ. I'll never forget. I'm threatening everybody with that. Shring, Bring, Sarveling, Bhoot, Bhavashya, Vartaman, Badaling. I used to love it. And we've been saying it for 4 years. कौन भूलेगा इसको?
That's true.
It ran for 4 years, mashallah. Even now, if they do a rerun, I'm come back with us even older and all of that, and Shruti married, whatever, it will be such a lot of fun. It was a jadoo show for the kids of today.
I think
आज के बच्चों के
anyone
लिए।
would like really want to
Yeah.
watch it. And to anyone who has not watched it, they have really missed out on their childhood, I feel.
जब मेरे पास बच्चे आते थे ना उस टाइम पे शरारत वाज ऑन,
हाँ हाँ.
जादू करो नानी जादू करो, अब तो नहीं क्या है कि धूप में बारिश, ये धूप में ना बारिश ये जादू नहीं होता, यू शुड डू इट इन द नाइट्स ना, झूठ बोल के, सो दैट इट रिमेन्स विद देम, दैट मिस्ट्री, यू नो, दैट लवली थिंग कि जादू यार। और रात में सोच अरे रात नहीं होता नहीं ना जादू, किसी भी का कवर कर, let them be in that, let them believe, you know, that's how they'll enjoy the show.
Do you think you made better friendships on the sets of a TV show? Because I still feel that आप लोग साल में एक बार या 2 बार तो मिलने की कोशिश करते हो. There's a get together that happens.
You know of it?
I mean, there are a simple and like Shruti, they keep
all of
posting
it.
sometimes.
Okay,
na?
so
So we
sweet.
see that.
I would love to do that.
But I feel, but again, you don't post anything, so we don't know. But do you feel that kind of reciprocation in terms of friendship, or just to stay connected, is missing from film industry? Because that has also changed. एक वक्त था जब ये बहुत होता था, अब वो थोड़ा सा missing
सब कुछ चेंज हो गया बेटा, सब कुछ चेंज हो गया। If you ask for films, तो of course technology, oh we are so hyper now, we are so much advanced now, yes, but where is the soul? Where is that love? Where is that connect? Where is it? वो तो है, take it this way or that. We were advanced in many ways, but कहीं चीज़ों में हम
आप सोशल मीडिया पे क्यों नहीं आ रहे हो?
क्यों आऊँ? क्यों बेटा? I live in such peace.
That's true.
I'm so happy in my space. Why should I upset my life? ये आखिरी उम्र में जाकर वो भी।
Please,
No,
let's not say
let's
like
face
that.
it बेटा।
No, let's not say it like that.
Let's face it ना। जो है वो है। This is life. Why should I upset the apple cart now? Why? For fun? For what? For what? For what?
But आपके जैसे काफी
देखो ना प्यार कितना मिल रहा है मुझे।
वो तो है.
Wherever I go जानू, the way they look at me, the respect.
Yeah.
पैसा तो हर कोई कमा लेता है, ये जो एक प्यार है ना आँखों में, जो रिस्पेक्ट,
Yeah.
ये किसको मिलती है बेटा? Why won't I love and cherish that and want to keep it? Why won't I?
Yeah.
For the sake of social media, why should I upset the apple cart? Why? I'm so happy. Let me be happy now.
But we also like to see you. I know you. I'm sure you're aware. The moment you came for the Hira Mandi screening, everyone on social media went
Yeah.
berserk with
You know,
happiness.
can you see my face on that which I'm walking and leaving me and walking ahead and like, because the things that were being said to me, the जो पागल जो हो रहे थे, I didn't know how to react. When I see this now, they show to me, I said, "Arey, why am I reacting like?" Because of what was being said to me, because of the love. I couldn't handle it, beta. It was so encouraging, so good, so heartwarming, na.
It
So
is.
what if I missed? Social media पे जाकर क्या कर लूँगी?
No, because I remember.
If somebody says anything to me, I'll be so hurt. Social media में क्या कुछ होता है? Why take it away from me? Let me be in my peace ना बाबू.
नहीं मैं आपके पीस को नहीं छीनूंगी. That's
तो
true.
क्या
Social media
करूँगी?
is a two-way sword.
Yeah,
I mean,
I've seen
double-edged
that.
sword.
I've seen
actually.
that.
Yeah. आपने अभी जो नए जो जिस तरीके के shows बन रहे हैं and everything, are you watching? Are you like keeping yourself updated with all of the new content that is coming in?
Means films?
Yeah.
Sorry Baba, I'm a movie buff to the hilt. I had a slip disc as I tell you, and so I don't walk
Yeah.
properly even now. It will take me some time to get back my gait and my,
Yeah.
because slip disc is such a bad thing. It's just fine now.
Yeah.
So whatever. Inshallah, I will get back to my walk.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
I'm trying to do
Obviously,
that.
Look at
I'll
your
do that.
energy. You are more like you have more energy than me.
I will do all of that. But what I'm saying is, I still go with a walk. कर रही हूँ या नहीं कर रही हूँ या तकलीफ है. I have to go to the theatre with my son. I do.
What are the kind
मैं
of?
अपने घर में बैठ के फिल्म देख सकती हूँ, of course. But I love the cinema. वो तो मुझसे छूटेगा नहीं.
I would love to have you on social media because I
पता
feel
नहीं.
that.
Some fine day I might feel चलो.
कहाँ जैसे जीनत जी भी है अब सायरा जी है.
I know.
She came in.
Sarah
कभी
ji and me, we share a rishta, which of course, Bhaijan, I used to call him Bhaijan, my Dilip Saab. Though that we've shared from Gopi, can you imagine? वो रिश्ता आज भी बरकरार है. We meet.
और आपके जो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सन ऑन स्क्रीन रहे हैं शाहरुख, बिकॉज आई फील a photo of yours with him from the prayer meet, if I'm not mistaken, where he's like sort of guiding you.
Yeah, he held my
it's
hand.
kind of,
There's a
it's
slope
kind of,
and I slowed down. He saw that, such a darling, na.
but
He
are you
saw
in touch
that.
with him on and off?
No, I'm not. How do I get to him? Tell me. Salman. How do I get to them? You know, they've changed their mobiles or whatever. The number I have of Shahrukh, because I had a shoulder surgery done, and he has done many.
Yeah.
So those days I went to his doctor also, and he phoned out of the blue. So sweet, na. Faridaji, I have to tell you, this shoulder surgery jo hai na, don't get impatient. It's going to take lots of time to get back that movement. I was very worried. मेरा हाथ क्यों नहीं उठ रहा है? So he phoned me out of the blue. I felt so good when Shahrukh phoned me. That's why just don't worry, this takes time.
Yeah.
एक साल के बाद आपका हाथ क्या सब कुछ उठेगा, but it takes time. तो आप lose patience मत करो. I believe you are saying this like क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? I'm telling you बहुत time लगता है. I've been into surgeries, like how you know that.
Yeah. I think he's the best person to give advice for a surgery for sure.
Absolutely. So I felt so good that Shahrukh phoned me. Now when I try to call him on that number, because I loved his success, I loved his films, I wanted to say, God, bacha, very good, I'm so happy. But there's nobody on that line. I'm his secretary. If she's not kind to you, then what do? I want to go through somebody now, then I don't have his number then.
Correct.
So Shahrukh should think about this, that when people want to talk to you, what do? People like me.
Yeah.
Salman also, I've had his number, we used to be talking to each other so often. But he must have changed his number. What do I do? Anyways, God
No,
bless
after
them.
all this, I am going to make sure that at least it reaches them, because sometimes क्या होता है ना, आप अपने काम में इतना गुम हो जाते हो या वक्त में इतना खो जाते हो कि you sometimes lose touch, and all it takes is one message.
Absolutely.
To
I was
rekindle.
so thrilled when he talked to him about the shoulder. So I want to tell him something, I want to talk to him, but what do I do, Tivda? So Salman,
I'm going to make sure that this happens, because
how lovely.
I mean, at least we can make sure that it reaches the right people, and then of course काम तो उन्हीं को करना होगा, फोन तो उन्हीं को उठाना पड़ेगा, वो मैं नहीं कर सकती, but
Absolutely.
है ना, but हम कोशिश करेंगे कि उन तक पहुंच जाए ये बात. You know, as an artist, for the love that you have for your craft, anyone who talks to you will understand how much you love this industry and you love acting. What is that one thing you wish to accomplish as an actor, which is still sort of like not done as
I
yet?
want to do so much more. As I told you, I'm so jealous of my counterparts. They do all kinds of roles. Nobody gives me that.
कौन है आपके लिस्ट में नेक्स्ट? बंसाली सर तो हो गए.
Raju Hirani.
Raju Hirani sir, are you listening? Farida Jalal wants to work with you. I think it's high time that you cast her in one of the
I
films.
love him. He's so clean picture बनाते हैं. कितना ना message भी देते हैं. I love that. I love his films.
So I can't wait to see you in a Raju Hirani film, because I think that will happen for sure.
I hope so.
People love you and they'll keep loving you, Farida ji.